Alright, going to the diner, and I see a ghetto bird. I'm just going to eat. I don't know who they're watching. Alright, right there is the graffiti wall. They covered it up with some siding. I'm sure that's not what the helicopter's here for, but I'm glad they got rid of that graffiti underneath that siding. And the ghetto bird is in full effect. Babylon, look at that. Let's eat. The old diner. Breakfast with the ghetto bird. Yep. Oh, feel safe with the old ghetto bird hovering up front. Coming into the diner. What's up, guys? Hold on, look at that. Coffee as soon as you walk in with the ghetto bird up above.